Hello everyone. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. And I am going to discuss the problem which most of us have faced the problem to send the email message stuck. Actually, these messages are stuck in transport queue, and this problem is starting from New Year 2022, and right now also we are facing problems with email messages delivery. All email messages are stuck in transport queue. Microsoft has acknowledged the issue and provided an official workaround to fix the issue. And description and reason for this issue is causing the messages to be stuck in transport queue on Exchange Server 2016 and Exchange Server 2019. The problem relates to a date check failure with the change of the new year, and Microsoft had mentioned that the issue is not a failure of AV engine itself, and this is also not an issue with malware scanning or the malware engine, and it is not a security related issue. The version checking performed against the signature file is causing the malware engine to crash, resulting in messages being stuck in transport queues. The problem occurs due to a latent date issue in a signature file used by the malware scanning engine in Exchange Server. When the issue occurs, you will see error in application event log on the Exchange Server, especially event 5300 and 1106 FIPFS, as you can see in this image, which is showing on your display. And a solution for this problem is Microsoft has provided a temporary fix to resolve the issue immediately. You can implement the fix automatically using a scan engine reset script provided by Microsoft, or manually using these steps as I will give you. Whether you perform these steps automatically or manually, they must be performed on every Exchange 2016 and Exchange 2019 server in your organization or in your office. If you use the automated script, you can run it on multiple servers in parallel. Microsoft recommends starting with the server in your environment that have the largest queue. You can use get queue to view queue size and determine which queue are the largest. First one is automated solution. First, you download the script provided by Microsoft using this link. This link downloads scan engine reset script. You can click on that and then it will run the script on each Exchange server in your organization. You can run this script on multiple servers in parallel. And second one is manual solution. To manually resolve this issue, you must perform the following steps on each Exchange server in your organization, which I am going to explain you. Remove existing engine and metadata. Stop the Microsoft filtering management service. When prompt to also stop the Microsoft Exchange transport service, then click yes. Use task manager by click the control plus shift plus escape, and to ensure that update service.exe is not running, and then delete the folders, these folders which you are seeing right now, and remove all files from following folders. These folders: program files, Microsoft Exchange, you are able to see this. And second is update to latest engine. start the Microsoft Filtering Management service and the Microsoft Exchange Transport service. Then open the Exchange Management shell, navigate to the scripts folder. You can click on this and then run the this update malware filtering server and this command, and after that verify engine update info. In Exchange Management shell, run this command, and then after that run this command and verify the update version. Information is this. After following above mentioned solution, the mail flow should be working fine, and FIPFS error event should no longer appear in the applicant event log. Microsoft is working on a fix that would eliminate the need of customer action, but it might require several days to develop and deploy. I think you all get this information, and you are happy to listen this that Microsoft is working on it. Okay, thanks of all, and enjoy the New Year celebrations. Have a nice time. Bye.